Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Looking elegant and expensive isn't about wearing designer clothes or spending a fortune. It's about knowing how to put together refined, polished outfits that exude sophistication. Whether you're dressing up for a formal event or just running errands, elegance is all about the right styling choices. In this video, I'll share practical tips and tricks on how to master that effortlessly expensive look, covering color palettes, fabrics, key wardrobe pieces, hair and makeup, accessories, and even what to avoid. Plus, I'll show you celebrity inspirations and outfit ideas to help you elevate your style. Let's get into it. Before we dive into specifics, here are some key principles to always keep in mind. Fit is everything. Clothes that fit you well instantly look more expensive. Tailoring can make even an affordable piece look high-end. Less is more. Avoid overly trendy, loud, or cluttered outfits. Simplicity often looks the most refined. Invest in quality over quantity. A few well-made pieces will always look better than a closet full of fast fashion. Mind your posture. Elegance isn't just about clothing, it's also about how you carry yourself. Good posture and confidence elevate any outfit. Neutrals over neons. Subtle colors tend to look more luxurious. We'll talk more about this in the next section. The right color choices can make or break your elegant aesthetic. Here's how to choose wisely. Go for neutrals and classic tones. White, beige, camel, navy, gray, and black always look timeless and expensive. Soft pastels and jewel tones. If you want color, opt for muted pastels like dusty pink, sage green, or sophisticated jewel tones like emerald green, deep burgundy, or sapphire blue. Monochrome outfits. Wearing one color from head to toe creates a sleek, elongated silhouette that looks put together and high-end. Avoid overly bright or neon colors. These can sometimes cheapen the overall look. The material of your clothing plays a huge role in how luxurious it looks. High-quality fabrics to embrace. Wool and cashmere. A well-structured wool coat or cashmere sweater instantly elevates any outfit. Silk and satin. These add a soft, elegant touch to blouses, dresses, or scarves. Linen. A tailored linen outfit looks effortless yet expensive. Just ensure it's pressed properly. Cotton and tweed. Structured cotton and tweed pieces have a timeless, polished feel. Fabrics to avoid. Shiny polyester or overly synthetic materials that look flimsy. Cheap faux leather that cracks easily. Thin or see-through fabrics that don't hold structure well. Building an elegant wardrobe starts with the right staple pieces. Here are the must-haves. Tailored blazer instantly sharpens any look. Well-fitted trousers. A good pair of wide-leg or straight-leg trousers elevates even a basic tee. Classic white shirt. A crisp button-up is a timeless essential. Structured handbag. A sleek leather bag adds sophistication. Timeless trench coat. This outerwear piece screams elegance. Little black dress. A well-fitted, simple black dress is always chic. Knee-length or midi skirts. Flowy or structured, these always look polished. Pointed toe shoes. Heels or flats. Pointed toes give a refined touch. An elegant look isn't complete without polished hair and makeup. Soft waves, sleek buns, classic ponytails, or straight glossy hair all look expensive. A deep side part or center part keeps things clean and structured. Keep makeup minimal and fresh. Glowy skin, soft contour, neutral eyes, and a subtle lip color. Classic red lips can also add a refined touch. Avoid overly heavy, cakey foundation or extreme contouring. Avoid overly messy or unbrushed hair. Accessories can make or break an outfit, so choose wisely. Minimal gold or pearl jewelry. Simple earrings, dainty rings, or a classic watch always look sophisticated. Structured bags. A well-made leather handbag, not overloaded with logos, looks far more expensive than a trendy piece. Classic sunglasses. A pair of black or tortoiseshell sunglasses elevates any look. Avoid overly chunky or trendy accessories. Less is more when it comes to looking expensive. Here are a few outfit formulas to help you achieve the elegant and expensive look. Many celebrities consistently nail the elegant and expensive look. Here are a few style icons to take inspiration from. Victoria Beckham, master of minimalism with tailored silhouettes. Amal Clooney, always polished, whether in structured suits or elegant dresses. Rosie Huntington-Whiteley, neutrals, high-quality fabrics, and timeless cuts. Kate Middleton, classic yet modern with structured coats and refined dresses. Looking elegant and expensive isn't about spending a fortune. It's about making intentional choices with your wardrobe, grooming, and styling. By focusing on fit, quality, and timeless pieces, you can elevate your look effortlessly. Let me know in the comments which tip was your favorite, or if you have any personal tricks to looking elegant. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fashion videos. See you in the next one.